Hello, and welcome back to the BAW YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be walking you through the screen printing process. Let's get started. First, you want to start with the base layer of ink. The ink you will use depends on the garment you are decorating. If you are decorating a solid garment, then you want to use a white base. We recommend using Smart White from One Stroke Ink. If the item you are decorating is not a solid item, such as our CM26 or our EXT96, then we recommend using a gray base and then the white base. We recommend using Digital Gray from One Stroke Ink. We also recommend using 2 strokes of ink for the base layer. So if your garment is going to need the gray base, you will apply 2 strokes of gray and then 2 strokes of white. Next, you want to flash your garment. This simply dries up the base a bit so that we can apply the next layer of ink. The intensity and time you flash your garment varies from garment to garment, but typically we recommend flashing at 66% intensity for around 25 seconds. If you're going to be printing a large order, you want to make sure to gradually lower the time and intensity that you flash, as the flash panel will get hotter the more you use it. This will help prevent the base layer from over-curing. If the garment you are printing is cotton based or has enough cotton to where you can see the fibers sticking out, such as our TR75, we recommend using a roller after the application of the ink. This will assure that you get the smoothest print possible. After you have applied the base layer, you can start applying your other colors. We recommend that you go from lightest color to darkest color if you're printing on wet. If not, you can print from the smallest image to the largest. Repeat the printing and flashing process for all colors you will be printing. Once you have finished your printing, run your garment through a conveyor dryer for 45 seconds to 1 minute at 250 to 300 degrees. After that, the process is complete. If you have any further questions on screen printing, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, or give us a call at 800-493-3745.